TNT gang, what's poppin'? Hey guys, welcome to the TNT Garage channel, man. And today is Friday. We hit 5 days in a row, y'all.
My man.
Yeah. Man, hey, that is one of my New Year's resolution. Or I ain't gonna say New Year's resolution because I don't never end up, doing what I'm supposed to do. But yeah, man, my
Oh, come on now, dog.
New Year's resolution was to post a lot more and to do a lot more on the truck and, just finish up projects and just finish up stuff in general. But I know one thing I've been messing up, man. Your boy been getting fat.
Boy, been getting fat.
Man, I've been getting big. I just been drinking sodas. I just been eating anything, eating a lot of carbs. I've been running, working out, nothing, man. But hey, I got to give a big shout out to the wifey, Miss TNT. Man, she been doing that keto diet, man. She been doing great, man. Good job, babe. You've been doing great. I'm proud of you. But today, y'all know what it is, y'all. Y'all know what it is. We finna work on the dash. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. We're gonna get this fabric. And where is well, we got the resin and we got the fiberglass in there. We got the cup and the brush there. And yeah, I'm pretty unorganized as y'all see. But we're gonna find that. What is that stuff, man? Lord have mercy. I'm supposed to have that, what you call it? That glue, man. Whatever that glue to put the fabric down on the dash. I'll find it, man, and yeah, we'll get started. But go ahead, start that intro. All right, gang. As you can see, this thing is a little dusty. So what I'm going to do now, I'm gonna hit it with some alcohol and one of these little workshop towels. I know it's not gonna hurt it. And shoot, I don't want to be dusty underneath there. I want the surface to be as clean as possible. All right, let's go ahead and do that. Yeah. Woo! All right, gang. Now we are going to get this fabric. We're gonna lay it out, cut it, go into surgery, make sure we got enough fabric all the way. Yeah, we're gonna have more than enough fabric, looks like. Oh boy, it's starting to get real now, y'all. Starting to get real.
Pretty much get everything knocked down like I want it. There's still a few hot spots, but I should be able to take care of that once I put that fleece on a little bit on off. Also did up in here. Then what we're gonna do, we're gonna take this fleece here, like that. We're gonna wrap it. Now what you wanna do, you wanna kind of even it out. Half from one side over to the other.
Do half.
side first, then work your way around to this side.
Half and half.
So I'm just gonna spray some here. Go on and put this end down, then I move on to the next side.
Hey, y'all thought I was playing. Hey, I look at sprayway stuff the whole way through, man. I'm telling you. You see what that say? Sprayway to go. I don't care what y'all say. Y'all better go subscribe to that, man. Woo! Oh my goodness, bro. Oh my goodness. Sprayway, you make this look so easy. This junk here was a headache. As y'all can see, I stapled around the little trim part right here. Oh, I think it looks okay. You know what I'm saying? I didn't get all the staples all perfectly straight. I got it up there too. Only part that I'm worried about is this part right here. Hopefully this stands up. Hopefully it don't fold up and all, you know, get all messed up. I didn't know how to get that, you know, contour right there. Maybe I should have cut along that line like that and then try to lay it down. But pretty much everywhere else, I got it looking decent up here. I stapled up here too. I'm gonna have to still trim off some up here at the top. Got some to still trim up here. But pretty much, man, got some more trimming to do on the side, but I got that pretty much done. Oh boy. Hey, y'all go down in the comment section, let me know what y'all think, man. You know, I'm always hard on myself. But y'all let me know how I did, man, just by looking on the video. You know, it's different in real life. You know what I'm saying? I think it looks pretty good. But I think today is a good stopping point. Right here is a good stopping point. Not today a good stopping point. But I think I'm going to go ahead and stop right here. And then probably tomorrow I'm going to pick it up. And I'm going to go ahead and put the resin on there so it can get hard. And then we'll put the fiberglass mat on there. And then we'll put the rondo. Like I said, this is going to be a long, long process. I don't see how Sprayway do it. You know, I do it, you know, as I can. I'm going to go ahead and end this video right here. I know, y'all. I didn't get much done, but hey, this is a lot for me, y'all. This is a lot for me. Y'all know I've been procrastinating big time. But I think this is a good stopping point. But hopefully you guys liked the video. If you did, hit that like button. Also, don't forget to subscribe. And when you do subscribe, make sure you hit the notification bell, hit all. Make sure you get all the notifications that's coming through. Your boy gonna still try to do the Monday through Friday. I'm gonna try to see if I can live stream tomorrow. I don't know what time I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna probably do it not too late because I usually try to go out and Uber and Lyft at that time on the weekends, try to get that little extra hustle and grind. So it may be a little earlier. Hopefully, you guys get on, man, and y'all just hang out with your boy and talk to me, and maybe we can get some updates on, the C10, what I got planned for, whatever. We could just sit in, just talk, man, because, yeah, I just wanted to try to do that on Saturdays. We can get together, just chill, like homeboys do, man, because y'all part of the gang, man. Hey, I appreciate everything that y'all do. Appreciate you guys watching the video. Make sure I appreciate you guys hitting the like button and all that, man. So I just want to give y'all a little time so we can, just chill as boys and just talk on Saturday. What y'all think about that? All right, guys. Thanks for watching. Y'all have a blessed day. Peace.
You want my advice? Don't play yourself.
And subscribe, fool.